Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials. Hi guys, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal and I just wanted to show you guys this new scrappy blanket sweater. This is a new one that I made for my daughter. I did it just to the arms, a little slightly to the way that she wanted them. She wanted them to be a little bit bigger like a sweatshirt arm. And I just did them double crochet instead of V-stitch. Now the size that I'm wearing here is a size large to extra large. It is the scrappy blanket sweater. That is really just like I said, the rectangle with arms. For this sweater, I used the ice yarns. Now this is the Cair in blues. It's 50% acrylic and 50% polyamide. The color is really nice. I'm liking it a lot more once I actually created this sweater with it than it was just in the cake. Now the drape on this is really nice. I used a 7mm hook, and that is a bulky 5-weight yarn. Now for this original pattern, we used 2 strands of worsted weight yarn with an 8mm hook. This one, I did not change the pattern other than the arms, and it still fits really nicely. Bulky 5-weight yarn with a 7mm hook, and it's got that really nice drape, you know, like I said. So hopefully you guys get some more color ideas and what you'd like to do with your scrappy cardigan sweaters. And I will see you next time.